The voice of the Kashmiri people, the voice of people of occupied Kashmir has been heard today in the highest diplomatic forum of the world. They are not alone. Their voices have been heard, their plight, their hardship, their pain, their suffering, the occupation, and the consequences of that occupation has been heard in the UN Security Council today. The fact that this meeting took place is testimony to the fact that this is an internationally recognized dispute. There was an effort to stop this meeting from convening, and we are grateful to all 15 members of the UN Security Council for agreeing to having this meeting. This meeting has reaffirmed the validity of UN Security Council resolutions on the occupied state of Jammu and Kashmir.